regarding the NCC budget?
No, essentially, this is a development which is being handled by other agencies, especially the DILG and the PNP, DOJ. So we defer to all activities or matters on this issue to them.
Once he's been reviewed, so what would be the procedure in that of it?
I'm really not familiar with the procedure because, as you know, we're not a member of the NCC. So, in fact, we've not been in communication with them ever since we left.
But once trial begins, ano yung magiging role ng Philippine mission natin sa...
Oh, I don't know. I can't speculate. We have to see how events unfold. But I think the best is to ask the agencies which are directly involved.
Sir, may any directive from the President regarding this post natin?
Sir, kailan expected yung pagdala sa kay President Duterte?
I'm not really familiar. I can't really answer. But I had a good meeting with Sulinya.
Yeah.